And, okay, I mean, I expect to continue this discussion with Kelly after I can see chat again. Not I'm yeah. I'm not saying I expect chat to discuss it. Also, this board is whack. 5810 and 659 are both incredible. The ports are rough. The 6-5 really? 659 out to the 910? That's kind of interesting. Do I go like 843 693? Or 58. Oh. Yeah. All right. 5810 693 would have just been bonkers, but 843 693 I think is the answer. But the question is which what order do I want to go in? I think I'm relying on a 3 either way. But I only rely on 1 3 if I do the 843 second. Yeah. I only rely on the 3 once if I get the initial starting wood at the start. So I think this is fine. Ideally, I would like to beat black to the sheep port, because I have a nice source of sheep here. Yeah, unfortunately, the wheat is very separated from the ore, which makes life a little sad, but I'm going production here. I like this setup a lot. It relies on 3s heavily. It does. However, 1-3 rolls early, 1-3 rolls early, and then I'm just in business. Oh, interesting. Okay. They're going straight on that port. Unfortunately, black has a free road here. I'm hoping they'll use it to take the 3-for-1. Come on, use that. Oh, rolling a 7 is so bad. Oh, that's terrible for me. Yeah. Oh. Are we? Why? Oh. Come on, black. Let's talk about this. That 7 helps, though. Fortunately, they took my sheep, which is the least valuable thing in my hand. Now we sit here and wait. And that's why I didn't care super hard about that. Oh, planks. If you put on the 8 ore, that's fine. Yeah, I won't hate that. Yeah, I don't think I've learned my lesson, chat. I don't think I've learned my lesson. I picked a setup that makes it really difficult to buy debs. Ooh. Okay, black. I'll give you a taste of your own medicine. Oh, but that actually doesn't super work. Yeah. That doesn't... That actually was kind of rough. I maybe should have stolen from orange because I think they had wheat, but that's fine. Well, I'll live with it. Whoop. Oh, nice 2. Time to 4-for-1 my sheep for a measly road. Oh, that's so lame. Oh, that's so lame. But it's fine. Come on, planks. Buy a dev for me. Buy a dev for me so you can get it off my... Nope, that's not buying a dev. Ooh. Oh. It hurts. Wow. Nice, nice solo. I appreciate you. I salute you. Okay, we're getting somewhere. Nice 3, okay. It puts me at risk of 7ing out, but I'm guaranteed the settle at least. But now Hans might plow me, which is really sad if that happens. They don't have enough wood for it, though. Yeah. Interesting, interesting, interesting. Ooh, I almost have enough for a city, interestingly enough. Once I settle, give me some sheep. I don't think I need the, I don't need to port here. I'll just wait. I'll wait it out. Yeah, we're in there. We're in this. We're super in this. I mean, unfortunately, Planks is just, like, running mad. Planks is running wild over there, but... Honestly, part of me thinks that I should, City the 693. Because I'm still going to have 3 ore left afterwards. And it doubles up my best sheep and doubles up the 3 wheat. So, yeah, I already produced 2 ore anyway. Okay. Yeah. I maybe should have done the 8 wheat, but it's fine. We'll take it. We'll take the block. I still think I city up the 693, because I'm not going to be hurting for ore like ever. Yeah, I think that's fine. Yep, that's what we need. Time to start buying devs. I have my port, have my ore set up. I need a port to protect me. Wow, Planks. Planks is crazy. Wow. I think deving here just makes sense. Interesting. Okay. Road builders, not... Ooh. Or, no, I can't even... I can, like, sort of plow. I can kind of, sort of plow. Unfortunately, there just aren't that many more settles that I can use. Maybe I plow black to the 5 wheat here. That might be worth considering. Because I could definitely use the extra. I could use the extra wheat for sure. Especially, oh, but they read. It's like they read my mind. It's like they read my mind. I wonder if I plow to the... I think I plow to the 4-3 anyway. But I need to wait, though, because I don't have the resources that I need to actually do it. That's so bad. That's awful. I mean, Planks is already sitting at like 8 with road. 9 with a settle. Yeah, Planks is so strong here. I don't know, do I plow them anyway? Like, that's the problem. Plowing them doesn't do anything. Plowing them just totally is irrelevant. Ugh. Tough luck. Tough luck to me. Also, am I visible on camera? Am I too... Hey there, if you're enjoying the video, please consider hitting the like and subscribe buttons. It helps out the channel a ton. Anyway, back to the match. Okay, now we're talking. Sort of. Unfortunately, oh. They might have the road. They at least have a road. I wonder what their plan is. Are they trying to like steal a wood? Yeah. I stand by holding my road builder because it wouldn't have mattered, I don't think. I don't think it would have mattered. Yeah, this is one of those situations where I would have been happy to, Oh, that 7 actually is helpful. Oh, wow. Do I have it? Wow, wow, wow. Okay. Okay, okay, okay. Yeah, I have it. I have it. I have it anyway, so I don't need to worry about it. 1, 2, 3, settle. And yeah, I can't play the knight because I need the road builder. So. I went for it. I went for it. I'm happy. I'll take it. I'm happy I was able to make at least like one play like that today, where I delayed the inevitable by 3 orbits. Also, the fact that Hans is not taking road is very interesting to me. But so it goes, I guess. Nice 7, nice 7. Oh, planks. Come on. Why you mad? Why you mad, planks? All I did was plow you at 9. Excuse me. Yeah, sure. Oh, interesting. Unfortunate. My hand is so stuck. Oh, but not anymore. Even though I'm at 9, but it's fine. I think I settle on the 3 for 1 now that I have the spot open. Unless a city comes up. If a city comes up, I city for sure. Like if I roll an 8 or something. Even if a 6 rolls, I might. But at this stage, okay, now I'm definitely settling. Now that I have everything I need for it, but. Honestly, part of me wonders if I should be blocking like the 4 wheat or something. Honestly, maybe that makes more sense in retrospect, but so it goes. Also, now I think I transition and road settle to the 6 sheep here because I have a bunch of wheat that I don't have anything to do with. I need to make space for myself. All right. And then I have the city now too. I think the city is strongly preferable to or to anything else. I guess I could be deving. Maybe. Maybe, honestly. Maybe I should be deving here. Too late. I already made the call. Too late. I think that was probably dev. I think that was probably dev time, but it's okay. Ooh, okay. Black taking road is massive. Now that I have 2 cities up, now I do nothing but dev for the rest of the game. That's my my calling. Yep, great. I may have waited a bit too late, but okay. Yep. Gimme, gimme, gimme. Knight is awesome here. Knight is fantastic here. If I get one more knight and then settle, then I have the win, which is wild, but ooh. Oh, alrighty. I'm deving first and foremost because I need army, but I think I'm blocking Hans pretty much exclusively here. Maybe like the 5 wheat, probably the 5 wheat, because I think that's what they're missing right now. Yeah, Hans is just missing wheat, and it hurts orange as well. Now the big question, a lot of sheep around. I'm more scared of Hans. Oh, okay. Wow. Definitely dev. Okay. Yeah, I don't have the win, but it's close. It's actually close here. I think I just keep deving until I get the knight that I need. Cool. And then I'll settle because why not? To put me at 9. Yeah. Yep. Okay, I have the win in hand. Oh, the 7's massive. Okay. Oh boy. Am I about to snatch an 11-point victory from the jaws of defeat? Am I about to snatch an 11-point victory from the jaws of defeat here? Wild. Oh. Please tell me that wasn't the difference. If we make it past Hans's turn, then we're fine. Okay, yeah. I think we're good here. Oh, unless Planks takes road. Planks still has a road, still has road outs, I think. Oh, wow, we avoided it. Okay. Oh. We got out of it. Yeah. All right, I'm opening chat up again because I think we're pretty solid here. Oh, hi Interstellar. Hello. Yeah. Yeah, you're right, Darky. That 8 loses. Oh my gosh, whoa, hi everybody, hello. Well, welcome to me winning, to me, to me taking it. This was great. I'm super happy with this.